Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore. So this is a summarized video which gives you the overview about the Polyline tools. They are probably the most useful, popular and important as a lot of geographic data or linear features are represented in polylines. Tools in this section are organized in subcategories like join, 3D to 2D, optimization cleanup, process, identify, inquiry statistics, create and edit, and direction control. Starting with the basics like mass joining tools and 3D to 2D conversion tools in multiple ways, this section offers advanced optimization tools like densify and weed vertices from polylines, including 3D interpolation optimization. This is a typical GIS data preparation exercise. Tools to align the polyline vertices fall in a linear pattern to help create meaningful, clean data from randomly collected survey points. In the Identify section, there are several tools to find intersection points along linear polyline networks, mark junction points, highlight elevation differences between vertices, and such similar tools. In the Create and Edit section, there are tools to create smart polylines with automatic edge panning, express p-edit and multiple p-edit options. The Process section offers tools for 3D distance-based interpolation, merging adjacent polygons, and one-on-one polyline elevation transfer. In the Inquiry and Statistics subsection, you can create a report on polyline areas and also generate a detailed polyline statistics listing with easy to transfer Excel data. So go give it a try, download the trial version of GeoTools and check out the Polyline tools. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll be glad to assist you with some of the answers. Thank you.